Hello guys, how are you all? Last time someone told me to make video on music app as Google Play Music is being replaced by YouTube Music. So many people are having problem with music apps. So now I'm going to show you music app that can replace Google Play Music. Firstly, disable the Google Play Music app. So after disabling the Google Play Music, open the Play Store and search for Simple Music Player. You can see on my screen. Now play any music. For example, I'm playing an Unborn inspiration song because this is a no copyright song, so I can play it in my YouTube video.
Whenever your heart is broken, don't ever forget you're golden. I will find the light in your soul, I'll be there. Never leaving you in the darkness, even when you're out of focus. I will be the light in your life, you'll see it clear. I'll be your inspiration, 'cause I know that you'll do just what you're told. I'll be your heart temptation, 'cause I know that you'll.
So guys, subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos. Enjoy.
If you